Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I had to share this plushie from my collection of Cuutopia plushies. I have so many different types of collections, but this is one I had to get. I do have a Star Wars collection that I started, and this is my Yoda. He is so cute. The detail on this is so amazing. He's so soft and fuzzy. I love the fact that they nailed the colors of just his skin and his ears, the way that they just poke out just like Yoda. Super, super soft. I like the way that they have the robe and just the edging on it. It's like that cotton fluffiness. So it makes it a little more realistic to what he looks like in the movies, but simplified into this cute plushie. His eyes are a stitching as well as his mouth, which is kind of cool. And he's so squishy. The stuffing that they use in this is so unbelievably squishy and soft that you just want to snuggle it. It's absolutely adorable. I love the fact that he just fits in nicely with my collection. I just had to have him. He's too adorable. And that's just my point of view.